हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं बाइसेक्शन मेथड का एक एग्जांपल। क्वेश्चन इज यूजिंग बाइसेक्शन मेथड फाइंड अप्रोक्सीमेट रूट ऑफ एक्स क्यूब माइनस 4x माइनस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0 by performing 3 iterations. Now let this be fx. fx is equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9. Now interval in which root lies is not given, therefore let us find interval first. Now here x cube is there, means it has 3 roots. Now we have to find one root. Now finding root means what? Finding value of x for which fx is 0. मतलब x का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. Then we have to put it in fx and check whether fx is 0, near to 0 or not. Now let us find interval. To find interval we have to put values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Now we put x is equal to 0, replacing x by 0. 0 cube minus 4 into x is 0 minus 9 is equal to minus 9. Now if we put x is equal to 1 cube minus 4 into x is 1 minus 9. 1 minus 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 12. Now if we put x is equal to 2 cube minus 4 into x is 2 minus 9. 2 cube is 8 minus 4 into 2 is again 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 9. Now we put x is equal to 3 cube minus 4 into x is 3 minus 9 is equal to 27 minus 12 minus 9 is equal to plus 6. Now we have two adjacent numbers with value of fx with negative sign, opposite signs. That is, this number is less than 0 and this number is greater than 0. fx having opposite sign, therefore root lies between 2 and 3. f of 2 is less than 0 and f of 3 is greater than 0. Therefore root lies between 2 and 3. Root lies between 2 and 3. Now first iteration, a is 2 and b is 3. Now in bisection method, x is equal to a plus b divided by 2 is equal to, now a is 2, b is 3 divided by 2, 2 plus 3 is 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Let this be x1. Therefore x1 is equal to 2.5. Now let us find f of x1. fx is x cube minus 4x minus 9, replacing x by 2.5. 2.5 cube minus 4 into x is 2.5 minus 9, and this is equal to minus 3.375, and this number is less than 0. Now f of 2.5 is less than 0 and previous greater than 0 value is for f of 3. Therefore we have to consider this value, f of 3 greater than 0. Therefore root lies between 2.5 and 3. Now second iteration, a is 2.5 and b is 3. x2 is equal to a plus b divided by 2. A is 2.5, b is 3 divided by 2. 2.5 plus 3 is 5.5 divided by 2 is equal to 2.75. Now let us check f of x2 is near to 0 or not. fx is x cube minus 4x minus 9, replacing x by 2.75. Therefore 2.75 cube minus 4 into 2.75 minus 9, and this is equal to, using calculus you can find this is 0.797, and this number is positive, means greater than 0. Now f of 2.75 is greater than 0 and previous less than 0 value is for 2.5. Therefore root lies between 2.5 and 2.75. Now third iteration, a is 2.5 and b is 2.75. x3 is equal to a plus b divided by 2 is equal to 2.5 plus 2.75 divided by 2. 2.5 plus 2.75 is 5.25 divided by 2 is 2.625. अभी f of x3 फाइंड आउट करते हैं टू चेक वो नियर टू 0 है कि नहीं. fx is x cube, that is 2.625 cube minus 4 into 2.625 minus 9, and this is equal to minus 1.412. Now comparatively this value is near to 0 and we have to perform 3 iterations. Therefore after 3 iterations approximate root is 2.625. Thank you.